How to log into JCPenney online credit card account. What's up everyone? In today's video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to log into your JCPenney's credit card online. First thing you have to do is open up your web browser, click on the search bar right here on top, and then simply search for JCPenney's credit card. Hit enter. And once you do that, you'll find a JCPenney credit card issued by the Synchrony Bank. Click on it and open the link up. Now here, all you have to do is click on the account section at the top right. And once you click on it, you should be able to get to your account manager and log into your account. Now, as you can see here on this login page for your JCPenney credit card, you can just go ahead and enter your user ID and then your password. All you have to do is click on this show password button to view your password, and if you want the browser to remember your user ID, you can just check this box so that you don't have to enter this every time you try to log in, and then you can just click on the secure login button. If all of your credentials are correct, you should be able to sign into your account and you'll find all of your credit card details inside your account as well. And somehow if you forgot your username or password, you can recover it by clicking on either of these, and you should be able to log into your account without any problem. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.